Okay, cool. Let's start. Good afternoon, guys, girls. I'm Leonid. This is my mate, Konstantin. We're here to talk you about something amazing, which is building chatbots with a 1C platform. What is 1C platform exactly? This is a solution for quick building of business automation for business of any scale. What we have in platform, we have building blocks. With them, you can build your application. We have runtime and we have IDE. One of the greatest features, then you can really deploy your application on a lot of platforms. You can have a native app on Windows, Mac, Linux. You can publish your application as a web application. And my favorite part is that you can have native Android and iOS mobile apps. All this brought to you by 1C company with a great history. It's the biggest provider of solutions for business automation in Russia, but not only in Russia. We operate worldwide. We have more than 1.5 million businesses and governments using our products. We have a huge 1C developer network, more than 300,000 people around the world. And all this baked by, baked by just 1K employee here in Moscow. Okay, let's back on track and talk about chatbots. Mr. Konstantin, please.
Okay. Hi, everyone, again. So, chatbots. Why do I like them? Because you can use advantages of messenger platforms and do less development, which is great because as a developer, I'm quite lazy. I hope I'm not the only one lazy developer in the room. Expectations vs reality. When I first started to develop a chatbot, I got into if hell with even a simple dialogues. But I'm too lazy for that. I was pretty sure that there is a better solution. I tried to use 1C platform for that task. And 1C platform apparently contains a mechanism called business processes, which allows you to create a workflow of some business logic using diagrams. And it perfectly fits for a chatbot. On the slide, you can see how the diagrams might look like. And it's very easy to understand and modify. As a nice plus from the platform, we get a great logging. We even can have the whole trace of users' actions, which allows us to analyze their behavior and feel a little bit like Google, you know. And thanks to modular system in 1C platform, we can easily work with different messengers, having same workflow and phrases dictionary for all of them. We need to modify only API integration models. Same thing with the internalization. Translation can be added by administrator without any piece of development. And Leonid?
Okay, guys, anyway, we're close to start the demo time, and I just briefly will tell you what we're going to show you. So we'll show you automation of a little e-shop. So what we have a client application for the shop manager where we can see product lists, customers, orders. On the other hand, we have customers who can order or cancel their orders through the chatbot, which apparently a lovely artificial creature. It can validate orders data, can send status updates, and give a cute little talks to customers. And Yeah, it's actually online. You can try it on Telegram right now. The handler is my order test bot. Yep, so now we're gonna switch to the demo. And first we will show you how the client application for the manager look like. Now you can see the application itself. It's a lovely dashboard. We have products list, we have customers, we have others, and on the right corner we have the data from the bot. And all of this is real time. Now let's switch to Telegram and let us show you how the bot actually works. So we have the bot. And with a start command, we activate the dialog with it. And we can send the location using Telegram API, build a custom dialogues for the confirmation. We can share our contact detail through the Telegram IP. And yeah, as you can see, there's a list of products we can buy. Here's some phones. And the bot will ask for an amount of goods we want, and we can check out. Great. Let's switch back to the dashboard, please. Yep, and as you can see, it's updated in real time. We have a new customer, hello world, and we have new order. If anybody wants to try, you can just go to the bot and we will see it real time right now. Yeah, so let's look how it looks like from the developing perspective. So here's Decode Designer. So on the left side of the window, we have a list of different entity types. This is actually the building blocks you can use to build your application. And yeah, I'm not going to explain all this stuff right now, but just for your information. And here we open the workflow of our chatbot. That's a lovely Christmas tree looking. And yeah, here actually the whole program we made for the chatbot. It's very easy to read and maintain. And now let's make our bot a little bit friendly and add a welcome message. For that, Konstantin will add a new action on the diagram. On the right side, you can see right now that Konstantin editing some properties of a new model. So it's basically just name and a template for the message. That's very, very easy. And right, once again, we build the application for the manager. We build a chatbot, everything in one environment with a very little piece of coding. So actually, that's the only one part of coding because we have a variable username and the template of the message, and Kostya just needs to connect it with the real data. So it's called a 1C language. It's something similar to Visual Basic probably, but it's very easy to understand, and you don't need really any time to start writing it if you know any programming language. And yeah, and a lot of this stuff actually generated by platform itself. Basically all of it. So you need to add some custom logic only for some very extra integrations with some external stuff. Okay, let's refresh our bot. And we are going to initialize the start process again. And as you can see, we have a welcome message right now. Everything was just added in a second. And let's have a more complicated case. Let's add a confirmation for the orders. For that, Kostya, Konstantin is gonna add another action on the diagram. Meanwhile, I will tell you the story from my life why confirmation is quite important. So a week ago, I ordered a new iPhone on the Apple webpage, and yeah, I was expecting the phone to be delivered in 2 days, but instead of that, I got an email where the customer manager, a lovely lady, she asked me to call her with the extension number and confirm my order. That's hilarious. Hello, Apple. This is 2019. What? And yeah, basically I called them and just canceled the order and picked my phone from the offline shop. Yeah, that's like a short story why the confirmation should be quite smooth and easy. And here we're using a chatbot, so we can confirm our order without any serious issues, you know? So in this case, we have a little bit different model. As you can see, it has lovely something between red and pink color with the two options. So it's just a switch. And yeah, there are two options to confirm the order, yes or no. And we just need to connect the wires and everything's done, right? Can we run it right now? Yep, let's order something like Apple iPhone. Okay, and 4 of them. And some more phones because we are really gonna be crazy tonight. Okay, let's place the order. And yep, we have a new action which is asking us to confirm. Yes, we are confirming. And it's done. Let's switch to the dashboard. And as you can see, yep, we have the orders there in the list. Everything just in one click. So to sum up, the whole application, the whole demo was done in a bit more than an hour. But we just don't have enough time to show you on there during the lecture, but I hope you get the point. So with this one C platform, you can build the whole automation solution for this eShop just in an hour and with a quite few bits of coding. And yep, if you're curious, please just let me come back to my slides. Please join our 1C developer network. And we have a forum and an amazing knowledge base on the website to the left. And also we have a Slack community so you can join and ask any questions. Also these QR codes are around this venue so you can also find them or just come to our booth and we will give you the directions. And yeah, Konstantin and I, we wish you happy hacking. We really appreciate what you're doing here all these several days. Hackathons are amazing, and I hope you'll do your best. Thank you, guys.